Older homes and new homes often need different reinforcement approaches because construction methods, materials, and wear change how doors respond to force. Start by assessing the existing door and frame as your baseline. Check whether the core is solid wood, hollow, or composite, and measure door thickness and jamb width so replacement parts fit correctly. For older doors, expect settling, seasonal warping, and possible wood rot at the bottom or around hinge mortises. So remove the trim and probe with a screwdriver where the hardware mounts to verify sound substrate before mounting reinforcement plates. Modern reinforcement focuses on 3 elements: upgrading the strike area with an extended strike plate or steel reinforcement using longer through bolts or screws that reach the structural stud, and improving hinge strength with full-length hinge reinforcements or longer screws. When installing longer screws, first pilot drill to avoid splitting and tighten to snug without stripping. Use star drive fasteners where possible for better torque transfer. For doors with narrow or shallow jambs, use a steel reinforcement kit that sandwiches the jamb and spreads load into the stud. And for doors with hollow cores, consider replacing the door leaf with a solid core or adding an internal steel rod kit. Always seal and weatherproof any repaired or replaced wood to prevent future rot, and retighten hardware after seasonal changes since shrink and swell cycles loosen fasteners. 3 common mistakes are relying on surface screws that only bite into thin jamb trim, installing short strike plates that do not engage framing, and ignoring rot or misalignment before adding new hardware. Use long grade 2 or better screws that penetrate studs to fix the first problem, and consider a steel reinforcement plate for extra spread of force for added reassurance. Replace the strike with an extended box strike or install a jamb reinforcement kit so the latch engages heavy framing to address the second. For the third, remove the door and inspect the full jamb and threshold. Repair or sister new wood to rotten areas or replace the door leaf if warped. Then fit hardware to true, square surfaces so locks and deadbolts operate smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like door reinforcement. We help people find local contractors whose work history and project photos they can review. We also host a discussion community where our members share installation tips, supplier recommendations, and lessons learned to help both homeowners and contractors find work and improve results.